Double got it.
Becky, trying to start a fire.
I will. Not trying. Please catch. Can you please catch for me? Hey, look at this. Look at this.
I want to put it in the fire pit now.
Why should I?
So you don't burn yourself.
There's sound logic. Hot. So we put that with the other cardboard.
We need more paper.
We do need more paper. I got this.
That's cardboard, not paper.
It works. As I put it out. There we go.
That's not working too well.
No, it's not.
And it smells weird.
What?
It smells weird.
Oh. It's
Buttery.
butter flavor. It's always good. Everything's better with butter.
I disagree. I like toasted jelly.
Ah! So the smart thing would probably be to put this near the wood.
Yeah.
Smart thing to do, not the...
Logical.
Yeah. Like, put the wood near it. I wish we had a lighter.
Why?
And lighter fluid. And...
Go upstairs and get my torch.
That's right, you have a torch.
I'll go get it, because I put it away.
So your brother can find it.
It's still on video.
Okay, well, we're gonna go.